The Meghalaya-Assam border continues to be in a tense situation, particularly in Kanduli village. The incident happened on Thursday evening when a private vehicle of West Jaintia Hills SP C. Sirti was attacked by an angry mob of Karbi citizens. According to sources, the incident started when two huts belonging to people of Kanduli, situated in the paddy fields of Kanduli, were set on fire by 8 Karbi offenders. When asked, Sirti informed that along with police from Siat Sama outpost, he reached Kandoli village to handle the situation. On reaching the spot, the incident was under control, but towards evening, the Karbis took advantage and the vehicle in which the SP was travelling was attacked by unknown people with stones and even launched an aggressive attack with equipments, but the vehicle escaped with slight damages.